Hello, my dear children. 7 videos already shared with you on Vedic mathematics. Eighth one on its way now. Today, we'll be learning a very common mathematics trick of Vedic mathematics, wherein you multiply using vertically and crosswise. So, this is something that's quite interesting. So, I hope you have your pen and paper in your hands and you're going to do the calculation work with me. Remember, the more you practice, the better it's going to be. This method is called what? It is called the base multiplication method, right? Now, what is the base multiplication method? Let me tell you something more about it. When you're taking a number, you need to see how close it is to a certain number, which is like 10 or 1000 or 100 or 10,000. We'll start with that. So we'll take the base right now in this video to be as something like 10, 100,000 or 10,000 means 10 raised to the power of n. So the traditional method says what if I need to multiply, let's say 13 and 12. So how I do it? I multiply 2 by 13, I get 26. Then I multiply, put a 0 here, and I multiply 1 by 13, so I get 130. I add both of them, and I get my answer as 156. This is the method, but it takes time when you're doing all this, right? I'm speaking it fast because I know how it is to be done, but when you're doing it, it takes time. Let's take a little complicated one. Supposing I have to multiply 97 by 98. Looks a little difficult this time. But again, how do you do it? 8 multiplied by 97. 8 sevens are 56. Carry over 5. 8 nines are 72. 72 and 5 is 77. So you get 776. Then you put a 0 over here and you multiply 9 by 97. I put a 0 here. 9 sevens are 63. Carry over 6. 9 nines are 81. 81 and 6 is 87. So you get 8730 here. I add up both of them and I get my final answer as 9506. Sounds simple, but it takes time and you are quite prone to make mistakes here, right? Now, this was still 97 into 98. Now, supposing you have 997 multiplied by 998 or 9,997 multiplied by 9,998. My God, it sounds so difficult. And of course, it's going to be quite time consuming. What if I say that again, you can do this calculation also in seconds? Well, trust me, I'll teach you how to do it. Just that you need to practice with me. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you should understand what is the base, as I told you. Let me show you a few examples of first of all taking the base, and you need to know what is a deviation, right? So let me take you to the next slide. Now just see here, if I take the number 12, it is nearer to what number? It is nearer to 10. And what is its deviation? Its deviation is going to be 12 minus 10. That means 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 means plus 2. Plus 2 or 2. Then 9. 9 is again close to 10. So deviation of 9 from 10 is 9 minus 10, which is equal to minus 1. Don't forget to put this minus 1. Otherwise, you will not get the correct answer. 92. 92 is again closer to 10 or 100 or 1000. It's closer to 100, of course. That means the base is 100 and the deviation comes out to 92 minus 100, which is equal to minus 8. 1080, so the base is 1000 and this deviation comes out to 1080 minus 1000, which is equal to 80. 99,998, what is it close to? It is close to 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, deviation comes out to be what? 99,998 minus 1 lakh, which is equal to minus 2. So deviation is, we'll be using to calculate the deviation for the all from 9 and last from 10. I'll be telling you how do we do that. So let us go quickly to the method. You understood what is base, you understood what is deviation. Now comes the trick, okay? So let us take a few examples. When I'm taking base multiplication, there are 3 cases that arise. Number 1, when I have both the numbers are below the base number, means I can take 99 into 95 or 93 into 99, 9,990 multiplied by 9,995, something of this sort. When in both the numbers, I have a base and both the numbers are below the base, right? The second type of multiplication is when both the numbers are above the base number, more than the base number. That means if I take the base to be as 10, I can take it as 13 into 12. If I take the base to be as 100, I can have it 104 into 103. The third and slightly complicated case is wherein I have one number below and the other number above. So it can be the first one below and second one above, or it can be second one below and the first one above. So both the ways I have, One number is above and the base and the other number is below it. So examples can be 13 more, 3 more than the base, 9, 1 less than the base, right? 98, 2 less than the base, 103, 3 more than the base 100. So this kind of example, this is the third case. In this video, we'll be taking up case 1, the type 1. You'll have to wait, be a little more patient. You'll have to wait for the forthcoming video to see type 2 and type 3. Okay, now let us begin type 1. In type 1, what do I do? When the numbers are below the base numbers. So let me take two examples. First one is 93 into 99 and the second one can be 993 into 995. We'll be taking up this one. First thing is decide the base. So what is the base? Find the base. The base, it is closer to 10, 100,000. I'm sure you must have guessed it. It's much closer to 100 as compared to 10 or 1,000. So the base comes out to be, how much it comes out to be? 100. Fine. Next, place the two numbers 93 and 99 above and below on the left hand side. So I take the two numbers 93 and 99 and I just place them. The third thing, the next step, I need to calculate the deviations of 93 and 99. Means I want to calculate 93 minus 100 and 99 minus 100. What is that? So my next step is subtract the base value from both the numbers and write down the remainders. So I take 93 minus 100 comes out to be 7, minus 7 rather, and 99 minus 100 comes out to be 1. So I'll not forget to write the minus sign with it. So I take and I write it on the right hand side. So let us do that. Minus 7 and minus 1. So up till here, I don't think so there should be any problem. If you have a problem, quickly go back, just rewind and see the video and then come back here, right? If not, then let's go ahead. I'm just copying this complete block to the next slide. And this is, I've already left the place for the answer. What is the next thing to be done? So I'll take what? I'll take multiply vertically and subtract diagonally. Multiplying vertically means these two numbers are to be multiplied vertically. So I take this minus 7 into minus 1 and I get the answer as 7. Now, because the base is 100, so I need to have, how many zeros are there in the base? There are 2 zeros. So therefore, I need to have 2 digits here. जितने भी zero है, उतने ही digits आपके पास यहाँ पे होने चाहिए. So if there were 2 zeros in the base, 100, so I need to have 2 digits. So what do I do to make it a 2-digit number? I add 0 to it and I get 7, which is same as 07, a 2-digit number. Fine. Now next is subtract diagonally. Subtracting diagonally means what? I take this subtract diagonally. How do I subtract diagonally? I draw the diagonals here like this and I subtract either 1 from 93 or 7 from 99. Amazing, isn't that both are coming same? 93 minus 1 is 92. 99 minus 7 is again 92. And that gives me my 2 more digits of the answer. And therefore my answer is 93 into 99 is 9207. Looks long, but trust me, it is very simple. Take up few more questions and it's going to be easier for you. Now I am taking the 3-digit number. Let's go a step further. 993 multiplied by 995. What is the base? The first step, obviously closer to 1000. So the base comes out to be 1000 here. If the base is 1000, that is the first thing to be done. I will write these two numbers, 993 and 995, one on top of the other, 993 and 995. Next is going to be, I will subtract the base from this. I will find out the deviation from this. So that means 993 minus 1000 comes out to be minus 7 and 995 minus 1000 comes out to be minus 5, right? So now comes the trick method. Multiply vertically and subtract diagonally. Multiplying vertically means minus 7 into minus 5, that is 35. I write 35, but I know that the base is 1000. 1000 means 3 zeros, so I should have had 3 digits over here. So to make this a 3-digit number, what is the simplest thing I can do? Add 0. So I get a 3-digit number 035. Fine. Now this 035 gives me the last 3 digits of my answer, but I still need something more here. So for that, what do? I subtract diagonally. Subtracting diagonally means one and the same thing. It's going to give you 993 minus 5 or 995 minus 7. Both cases you get 988. So that is the answer, that 993 multiplied by 995 is equal to 988,035, and that is the answer. Check it up. I'm sure you won't find a mistake. Correct? Okay. One more example, last one. Can we go to 4-digit number? You'll love it because you'll find that 4-digit number भी इतनी जल्दी से आराम से calculate हो जाता है. Let's go on to that. Type 1, 9983 multiplied by 9996. Base quickly. Base is what? Base, it is obviously closer to 10,000. So the base is 10,000. 10,000 means there are 4 zeros. So 4 zeros means that we should have 4 digits when we'll be multiplying vertically. Okay. Base, I've decided it is 10,000. So I write 9983 and below that I write 9996. Then I find the deviation. So 9983 minus 10,000 is what? It is going to be minus 17. I can write that. And 9996 minus 10,000 comes out to what? Minus 4. Okay. Now, again, this is what we were saying, that how do we do the subtraction? So if I want to subtract, see, 9983, I want to subtract what? I want to subtract from 1,000. I want to subtract from 10,000. So how do I do it traditionally? I cancel this, I make it 10, and this is left with 9. I cancel this, it's left with 9. I cancel this is left with 9. And I subtract what? 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. And this is what the answer I get. So Vedic mathematics tells us what? How do you subtract? You take in the end 10 and you write 9, 9, 9, and you simply subtract what? 9, 9, 8, 3, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 0, 0. That's it. So this is what I meant when I said all from 9 and last from 10. So all of them are being subtracted from 9. So when I want to find out the deviation, you have to take up all 9s. Last may just put 10 and you get the deviation, right? So this is how you subtract from the base. That is such easy thing. Now, what is the method? Multiply vertically. Minus 17 into minus 4 gives me 68. So I will write 68 minus 17 into minus 4, which is equal to 68. But as I told you, what is the base? It is base is 10,000. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros means I must have 4 digits over here. So easiest way to do it is put 2 more zeros. So I've got 4 digits over here. Next, I subtract diagonally. Subtracting diagonally means either I do 9983 minus 4 or I do 9996 minus 17. Both of them are same. It comes out to be 9979. So my answer is 99790068. 9,983 multiplied by 9,996 comes out to be 99790068. Seems like a telephone mobile number, but yes, it is just your answer which you have calculated using Vedic mathematics. And trust me, when you're going to do it, it's going to go much faster than what I'm telling. So happy learning. Watch the video again till the time you don't understand, and give more questions to yourself and try to find out the answer. Okay. Thank you so much, children. God bless you.